Y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be changing this Walmart men's sweatsuit outfit into a baddie fashionable Chanel outfit for women or girls, however you want to call it. We all can do this. Dudes, you can rock it too. Okay, these are like $7 and some change a piece, which isn't bad. And then you can transform them into however it is you want. It's multiple things you can do with these to make these pop just for you. And I'm gonna give you one idea that I came up with, and we're gonna transform this. So if you're interested in seeing how I do this, y'all know what I gotta say. Please stay tuned to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thumbs up for me, and let's get this thing rocking. All right, y'all. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just gonna lay this flat. This is the front of my sweater. I made this right here, just like the little Chanel. So I'm just gonna lay this on top of here. Let me scoot you guys back some so you can see. I probably need to use my other tripod. It'll be alright, but anyway, I'm just gonna lay this on here, like so. And I'm going to be using white fabric paint. Let me show you guys. I'm going to be using this right here, the Tulip fabric paint. You can get that from Walmart. And then after I do what I got to do by just tracing it, coloring it in, and then I'm going to outline it with my black Tulip. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to go ahead and do one for y'all, and then y'all know I always speed it up. Alright, so let's go ahead and do the one. Child, this is how it's looking so far. Yes, I'm loving it. I gotta go ahead and go back over those. But for now, this is how it's looking. I think it's gonna look fire. Yep, so all I have to do now is the arms. And then I will do the back. And then I will do the same thing to my pants. So stay tuned to see how I finish this look.
Spiders.